Welcome to the screencast about systematic problem solving. This is an example of a problem that you would solve using systematic problem solving strategies. So today we are going to solve this problem using these strategies. The first step when solving any problem is to make sure that you fully understand it. You should be skeptical towards the problem and try to identify any traps you might fall into when solving it. Before you start solving the problem, you should think of any tools that may help you. This is easy to vision when using a problem-solving grid. You can identify the things you do know and the things you need to find out. Knowing this helps you think of things that will help you find the answers to what you don't know. For this particular question, the first strategy that made sense was to change the problem. The original numbers were too high to work with. Therefore, we decided that dividing the numbers by 4 would make the numbers easier to work with. One of the best strategies to help solve problems like this is to visualize the problem. We call this concretizing the problem. This involves drawing pictures, or for this problem, one of the easiest ways to view it is as a Venn diagram. We will simply enter what figures we know and calculate the ones we need to find out. We create a Venn diagram of girls, boys, and blue for those wearing blue shirts. So we know that there are 5 girls wearing blue. We enter 5 into the intersection of blue and girls. There are 14 girls in total. Taking the 5 girls in blue away from the 14, we discover that there are 9 girls in the class that are not wearing blue. Next, we know that 2 of the boys in the class don't wear blue. Since we know that 8 people wear blue in total, and we know 5 of them are girls, that must mean that 8 minus 5 is 3 boys wear blue. Adding the numbers together gives the total of kids in the class. This gives 19, the simple version. Multiplying this by 4 gives us the answer to the original problem, which is 76. If you don't like working with Venn diagrams, another way to solve this problem is to work with a table. We will once again simply build a table, inputting the numbers that we know and calculating the ones we need to know. So we can enter that there are 14 girls in total, 5 of them wearing blue, and there are 2 boys not in blue. Taking 5 from 14, we find there are 9 girls not in blue. We know that 8 are wearing blue in total, leaving 3 boys in blue and 5 boys in total. Adding the total number of girls and the total number of boys, we find the total number of kids in the class. Multiplying each of these numbers by 4 gives us the answer to the original problem. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope that it gave you an informative view into the idea of systematic problem solving.